The most painful bites on Earth. Imagine a bite that makes people scream, faint. Some even say they'd rather take a bullet than endure it. Today, we're diving into the most painful bites on the planet. And trust me, you do not want to encounter these in real life. We're used to fearing snakes and sharks, but the most terrifying bites often come from tiny creatures. Some are smaller than a fingernail, yet their venom can shatter your mind in minutes. And the scariest part? You cannot turn off the pain. How pain is measured. There's even a scale for bite pain. It was created by a scientist who literally let himself be bitten. He described the sensations as honestly as possible, sometimes too honestly. And today, we'll walk through this scale from terrible to unbearable. Level: very painful, but you survive. Scorpions. The bite feels like an electric shock. A burning, pulsing pain spreads through your body. You don't die, but you definitely regret being born. Some snakes. Many snake bites aren't instantly deadly, but they bring hours of pain. Swelling, pressure, the feeling that your skin might burst. And you realize this is just the beginning. Level: you start to panic. Black Widow. At first, the bite is almost invisible. Then, muscles lock up. Your back stiffens. Your stomach twists. People describe it as like someone tightened a wire inside you. Fire ants. One bite? Tolerable. The problem is, they attack in hundreds. You feel your body covered in hundreds of burning points, and you can do nothing about it. But everything before this was just the warm-up. Next come the bites after which people lose control. Some scream, some cry, some beg to pass out. Level: psychological horror. Africanized bees. Known as killer bees, they don't sting once. They pursue. For minutes. For miles. People have run themselves to exhaustion just to make the pain stop. Stonefish. The world's most venomous fish. You step on a rock, and seconds later your body is pierced by excruciating pain. Many victims scream uncontrollably. Some pass out from the agony. The most painful bites on Earth. Now, the top of the scale. What scientists call pure primal pain. Bullet ant. Yes, that's its real name. The bite lasts a second. The pain? Up to 24 hours. People describe it as like being shot over and over again. Some can't walk. Some can't speak. And the scariest part, you remain conscious the whole time. The scariest hidden fact. The most terrifying part of these bites isn't always the venom. It's how your brain reacts. It can't turn off the pain. It can't get used to it. And at some point, you realize you are completely helpless. We fear big predators, but the scariest creatures on Earth are often smaller than a fingernail.